What's up, guys? Teacher on Two Wheels here. Welcome to the channel. I'm currently in Indiana and I'm making my way to Maine. I'm on a coast-to-coast ride. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. We're still at it, so we're gonna jump back on the road and get started on this rest part of the journey. So I'll see you on the road. Hey guys, so yesterday we stood here in Indiana. Our goal was to make it to Indianapolis. We ended up pulling over like, I don't know, 44 miles before, got a hotel, and basically caught up on some things that we needed to do because we had to do some laundry. So we got that all knocked out and jumped on the road. Sometimes also just to, kind of discuss when you're doing long trips, you also got to think about giving yourself some rest every once in a while. So yesterday was a rest day. Our goal was probably to put out like 500 miles today. So we got a long haul. So far, just from our last stop, we've only done 20 miles. But 20 leads into 100 quick, and then the next 100. So we'll see how today goes. But just wanted to do a quick little recap on where we're at. And if you're new to the channel, basically I'm on a journey and I'm crossing the country. I'm doing a coast-to-coast trip. So I'm gonna put up a link to like my first video or one of my last video, whatever, because I know I'm breaking this up into videos. I'll put them up top so you can get caught up. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So we're just right here in Indiana, and we're just gonna keep on pushing through, guys. So let's keep getting it. Staying busy on two wheels. That's right. So the 70 we just saw right now, you'll be able to see this sign right here. It says downtown only. So the 70 is actually closed. So they're rerouting us, telling us to take the 465. So I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know if it's going to like make us go around or something, but it looks like we're not going to be able to go through Indianapolis. So that's unfortunate, but whatever. So we made our first gas stop of the day. We did like 120 miles. Some of it was slow going because of traffic, being rerouted because of construction and everything, but it's all good. Just ran into this lady. It's pretty cool to talk to her. She said she lived like 2 miles out that way, and she's like, yeah, you can't even see the 70, which is the highway we're on, because the corn stalks are so high. She's like, I'm completely separated from everyone, so it's pretty cool. So get back on the road and see how everything goes. Okay, back on the road again. Yeah, my GoPro, I don't know why this happens. I know other people have complained about it. This media mod, you have to do battery pulls. I know the battery's not dead. It was like at 60%. So then the battery, like, it just stops working. And you have to pull the battery in order for it to start working again. Such a hassle. Because you have to pay attention, you know. Sometimes you don't know. And all of a sudden, it just goes out. But anyway, it's all good. Getting back on the freeway. Getting ready to knock out another 100 and some odd miles. I think in about 40 miles we'll be in Ohio. Oh, great. See, this is what I'm talking about. I know he saw me coming. Like, he couldn't wait. You know how long it's going to take for him to get past this truck. Sometimes I can get around him, and I actually can go faster. See, this is what I'm doing. If I would have waited, see, if I would have waited for this truck, I would have been stuck way behind there. And that's what they do. I know they got to see me coming. Just wait, let me get past, then do your thing. So frustrating. Sorry, guys. I just got a little upset. No, that's what I was talking about. I mentioned it in one of the other videos the other day, or yesterday, is that as we're coming up, these trucks, usually I've had it in the past where they'll look and they'll see me coming, they'll let me go, then they'll get over. And that's great because I'm going way faster than they are. That guy was not going to pass that vehicle anytime soon. So you see, I have enough time to sometimes just get around them. That's, you know, just my little rant for when you're trying to smash on the freeway cross country. Truckers, if you watch this, let us pass. I know you guys doing your thing too. You got your job, you're trying to get them up, but I'm a lot faster. Let me get by. You do your thing. Hold up the rest of the vehicles. Thank you. That's my plea for the day. We're almost in Ohio, guys. Almost in Ohio.
A few moments later.
There's a Ohio state line. So let's see, do they have a welcome to Ohio? It's right there. I got it. That's a big one. Let's get back on the freeway. Let's get at it. There we go. I do that every time. Every time I see a state sign, I pull over. Well, we found ourselves in another construction zone. So we're doing 60 miles, very slow going. I don't know how many miles it's already been. I'm hoping this is the end. Because, as always, it sucks going slow. First time we've seen the city in a while. What a nice city it is. Definitely need a grub though. So, Eastern time it is. What time is it? 12 o'clock. We've been up since 6, so it's long jet time. First timer for White Castle. We don't have these in the West Coast. Moving right along, guys. Moving right along. I guess my review of White Castle I'm sorry. So I lost my train of thought. So my review for White Castle is that it's good. It's tasty. The bread is extremely soft. But I could not compare this place to our West Coast In-N-Out. Our West Coast In-N-Out tears that place up. So, sorry White Castle. In-N-Out tears you guys up all day. Alright, so we made it to Pennsylvania. We got our rooms, got situated, went into town and had an awesome dinner recommended by some locals, and pretty much got situated and pretty much calling it a night. You know, today was an awesome day for riding. The weather was perfect. We could not have asked for anything better. We're almost at our destination, so tomorrow should be our last day and we should be in Maine. So if you made it this far in this video, hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe. I'm a new channel, I'm just building, but man, stick around because I still got one more day and I still got my ride home. So I'll pretty much see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Teacher on Two Wheels out.